Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will speak about how does a pandemic change our life. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Helma Putri and I am from 12 Science 1. The world is currently facing a pandemic caused by SARS-CoV-2 or coronavirus and its infection called COVID-19. This viral infection was originally discovered in Wuhan, China in December 2019 and has spread rapidly to various parts of the world. The COVID-19 virus is rapidly becoming a global health problem and has changed many aspects of human life. The current state of the COVID-19 pandemic has not only had an impact on the healthcare sector, but also all sectors of human life. The COVID-19 prevention policy has had a social impact on society. The education sector is one of the sectors most affected due to the ongoing pandemic. UNESCO notes that there are at least more than 1 billion students or 72% worldwide have to study at home, including Indonesia. The impact of COVID-19 has made extraordinary change to the level of society. Society has changed 180 degrees from before. People now tend to be close and keep their distance to avoid contact with other people. The following are some of the social culture changes of society during the pandemic. 1. New lifestyle change. Various activities that we usually do freely, for now, we can't do it anymore because all of them are still limited. Activities of worship together, wedding, activities in shopping centers, vacation activities are only limited to do. Even school life is still done virtually through various online learning media. Conditions like this only happen because of the pandemic, which for all parties to understand and understand. This condition make human kinship and solidarity as social beings who live side by side and help each other gradually around in a new pattern of life that force a shift in values, mindset, and behavior of people's life. 2. Change in societal values and norms. Values and norms before the pandemic had been formed very well in society, seen from people who communicate well and also politely with others being one example. This pandemic has changed the way people socialize. The presence of the COVID-19 virus everywhere cause people to be more reluctant to communicate that is not urgent or important. This pandemic has caused a new mindset in most people, such as keeping a distance, avoiding crowds, reducing mobility, and also not having much touch with other people. 3. Community behavior change. The pandemic has demanded that people change their behavior towards other communities. The rules that require individuals to comply with health protocols in any activity become a compulsion for some people. Many people reject this change, shown by their daily behavior that does not maintain health protocols, because they think that the COVID-19 virus is something that is impossible or just a mere engineering. In addition, the community since the COVID-19 pandemic has experienced other behavioral change such as a mindset in maintaining health. Many people today are starting to pay attention to their immune system by doing a sport and consuming healthy foods as well as vitamins. This is way for people to maintain their immunity so they are not susceptible to virus. 4. Habit change. The current pandemic period has changed a lot of people to be more careful in living daily life. the habit of complying with health protocols to how to maintain health for yourself so that you are not susceptible to viruses or disease. Wearing a mask is one of the habits of society that is very visible during this pandemic. Masks are very important things to carry anywhere compared to bacterial cleanser in the form of hand sanitizer or disinfectant by some people. The limited time in selling for traders has also changed due to the limited time period since the current COVID-19 pandemic. Checking body temperature has also become something or a habit that people have done. Currently, measuring body temperature is something important to do before entering a place such as a place to shop, a place to work, a place of worship, or any other place. Enough of my discussion about how does a pandemic change our life. I hope my speech will be useful. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.